Well, let's get more from our very own Valérie Decamp, who joins us now from central Paris. Valérie, you're at a museum, I gather, right now. Just tell us exactly where you are and how the rollout is going there.
That's correct. So I'm at the Musée du Luxembourg here in central Paris, and all morning staff here, they've been scanning passes and more passes with a special device in order to check that every single person that comes into this museum has a valid COVID test. Now, this is what it looks like. It's in its printed format. It also exists in a digital format that people can save into their phones in a dedicated app developed by the French government. Now, essentially, it's a QR code. I'm not going to show you mine for obvious security and privacy reasons. The French government urging people not to post photos or videos of their QR codes, their passes online on social media when they get vaccinated, as other people could potentially reuse them. Now, you might see the setup behind me, about 5 security agents checking all the COVID passes. If an individual does not have a pass, essentially what can happen is that they could risk getting fined more than 138 euros if they refuse to show a pass. Now, the government has said that for now, throughout the week, they're going to be pretty flexible with people presenting their passes, but also with businesses that have had a relatively short period of time to adapt, more or less a week since French President Emmanuel Macron made that announcement that COVID passes would be mandatory. Now, for businesses, on the other hand, if they fail to comply, if they don't check that all their customers have a valid health pass, well, they could potentially be fined more than 1,500 euros, up to 9,000 euros. So that could be a lot more expensive. But for now, as I said, the government is not going to begin issuing those fines. They will give some leeway to businesses to give them some time to adapt.
OK, well, thank you very much indeed for bringing us up to speed on all of that. France 24's Valérie Decamp in central Paris. Thank you.